Hey Daniel, it's so good to see you today. I am feeling very happy and very relaxed.
Hey, Emma, I can see that. You have a big smile on your face. Why are you so relaxed today?
Well, I spent my morning reading messages from our rebels, the English learners who listen to our podcast.
Oh, that's wonderful. I love reading their messages. What are they saying?
They are talking about their daily English plans. After our last episode, many people started building their own routines.
That is great news. But wait, are they making big, difficult plans? Like studying for 4 hours?
No, Daniel, that's the interesting part. Many of them said, Emma, now I have a plan, but it's very, very simple. Is that okay?
My answer is yes. That is more than okay. That is the best kind of plan.
I agree. If a plan is simple, you can do it every day. If it's real and honest, it works.
Exactly. And before we dive into these real stories, I want to say something to our listeners.
Yes, if you are listening and you want to be part of our Rebel family, please subscribe to our channel right now.
And don't forget to like this episode and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Also, tap the bell icon. This way, you will never miss a new episode. We have so much more coming for you.
Welcome to Learn English with Rebels, the podcast where Emma and Daniel help you learn English step by step. Simple tips, short lessons, and real conversations to keep you motivated. Let's get started and have fun learning English together. Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Real people, real success.
In our last episode, we talked about how to create a daily mini English plan. We gave you the theory.
But today, we go one step further. We want to show you the action.
We're going to share 3 real daily English plans from 3 real learners.
These are not perfect learners. They are not professors. They don't live in a library.
No, they're just normal people. They have jobs, they have families, they get tired, they have busy lives, just like you.
So listen closely to these 3 stories. Look for yourself in these stories.
Ask yourself, which plan feels close to my life? Maybe Mike's plan is for you, or maybe Lina's. Let's find out.
Story number 1. Mike, the tired hero.
Let's start with Mike. Mike is 35 years old. He's a very hard worker.
Mike works in a big warehouse. He's on his feet for 8 or 9 hours every day. It's a very long and physical job.
When Mike comes home in the evening, he's not just a little tired. He's completely exhausted. His energy is 0.
In the past, Mike tried many English plans. He bought big books. He joined expensive classes at 8 p.m.
But it never worked. After work, his brain was closed. He couldn't study grammar. He couldn't do homework. He felt like a failure.
So, Mike changed everything. He created a 0 pressure plan.
Now, every night, just before sleep, Mike lies in bed. He takes his phone and watches one short video in English.
The video is only 5 minutes long. Usually it's about cooking or cars, things he likes.
He doesn't use subtitles. He doesn't use a dictionary. He just listens.
Sometimes he understands 50%. Sometimes he only understands 10%, but it doesn't matter.
The important part, he never skips. He does it every single night for 5 minutes.
After 1 month, something amazing changed for Mike. English didn't sound like noise anymore. The sounds became familiar. He felt like he was friends with the language.
What makes Mike's plan work? Let's look at Mike's success. Why did this work when big classes failed?
I think there are 3 clear reasons. First, it's easy. It's so easy that he can't say no to it.
Second, it has a fixed time. It's his bedtime routine, like brushing his teeth.
And third, and this is very important, there is no pressure. Mike is not studying for a test.
He's just listening. He's letting the English come to him. When you remove the pressure, your brain opens up. You learn more when you are relaxed.
Wait, before we go to the next story.
If you like learning English through these real-life stories, if you feel like Mike or Lina,
Then please subscribe to Learn English with Rebels. We don't want you to learn alone.
and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our future episodes. We keep it real here. No boring grammar, just real English for real people.
Give us a like if you think Mike's plan is a good idea.
Hey Rebels, welcome to Learn English with Rebels, the podcast where Emma and Daniel help you learn English step by step. Simple tips, short lessons, and real conversations to keep you motivated. Let's get started and have fun learning English together. Learn, speak, repeat, repeat!
Story number 2. Lina, the brave beginner.
Now let's talk about Lina. Lina is a beginner, around the A2 level.
Lina is a very smart person. She understands a lot when she reads. She listens to podcasts and understands the main ideas. But there was one big problem. Lina didn't speak, not a word.
She was terrified. She was afraid of making a mistake with is or are. She was afraid her accent was not American or British.
So her daily plan was built to fix one thing: fear.
Every morning, right after breakfast, while she is washing her coffee cup, Lina has her 7-minute speaking time.
She doesn't have a grammar book. She doesn't have a teacher. She speaks to herself.
She talks about her day. Very simple sentences. She says, I am drinking coffee. The coffee is hot. Today, I'm going to work. I feel a little tired, but the sun is shining.
She's the only person in the room. No one is judging her. No one is correcting her.
After 2 weeks of this, Lina felt a change. Her voice started to sound normal in English.
After 1 month, she was brave enough to say good morning to her neighbor in English. The fear was getting smaller because she was practicing safety every morning.
Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Story number 3. Ahmed, the word catcher.
Now, let's meet Ahmed. Ahmed is different. Ahmed loves learning new words.
He loves them too much, Daniel. Ahmed used to spend 2 hours a day with a dictionary.
He would memorize long lists, 30 words, 40 words, 50 words in one day.
But he had a problem. He would learn the words on Monday and forget them by Wednesday. It was like his brain had a hole in it.
He felt like he was wasting his time. So Ahmed changed his plan. He became a smart learner.
Now, every day, Ahmed chooses only 3 new words. That's it, just 3.
But he doesn't just look at them. He writes one simple sentence for each word.
And then, this is the rebel trick. He says the sentences out loud 5 times.
He lives with those 3 words for the whole day. He thinks about them while he walks to the park.
After a month, Ahmed realized he remembered almost 90 words perfectly.
No forgetting, no stress. Less effort, but much better results.
Combined mini scene, the Rebel Café.
Imagine these 3 learners, Mike, Lina, and Ahmed, meeting in a cafe for a talk.
Mike says, "My plan is only 5 minutes in bed. It's so easy, but my ears are finally waking up."
Lina smiles and says, "I talk to my coffee cup every morning. I say simple things, but now I'm not afraid to speak to real people."
Ahmed nods his head and says, "I only learn 3 words a day now. It feels like a game and I remember everything."
They have different plans. They have different lives.
But they have the same idea. They do English every day.
They don't wait for perfect time. They use their real lifetime.
Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Useful phrases box. 10 keys to success. Let's slow down and look at 10 key phrases from today's stories. These are your tools for success.
Number 1, daily English plan. Number 2, fixed time. Number 3, low pressure. Number 4, small daily steps. Number 5, real life practice. Number 6, speak out loud. Number 7, short but consistent. Number 8, English feels normal. Number 9, simple works. Number 10, one day at a time.
Welcome to Learn English with Rebels, the podcast where Emma and Daniel help you learn English step by step. Simple tips, short lessons, and real conversations to keep you motivated. Let's get started and have fun learning English together. Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Mini challenge. Repeat after me. Now it's your turn. Let's practice your mindset. I want you to repeat these sentences after me. Speak clearly and slowly. My English plan fits my life. I practice English every day. Small steps bring real progress.
Perfect. You are not just a listener, you are a practitioner. Rebels, here is the honest truth. There is no such thing as a perfect daily English plan.
The only perfect plan is the one that you can actually do every day, the one you don't quit.
Start small, like Mike. Speak to yourself, like Lina. Or choose 3 words, like Ahmed.
Stay real. Don't compare yourself to teachers. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday.
And keep going. We are so proud of you for being here.
Before you go, please subscribe to Learn English with Rebels.
Like this video and share it with one person who needs a simple plan. And hit that bell.
We'll continue learning together. We have so many more stories for you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.